A question I recently got asked was, Susanna, if I can't get mortgages or investors and I'm making 100 phone calls, 25 viewings, 21 offers to buy deals, what do you recommend? Well, there's the short answer. Don't do it. Don't make offers if you can't follow through on buying that deal, because the estate agent will just think you're a bit of a numpty. And I don't want that to happen to you, because you'll have to then build back the confidence and the trust. But the real answer is, let's explore why you can't get funding, because you will be able to get funding if you can find discounted deals. That's pretty much guaranteed if you put the work in. So let's giggle for a moment and go, don't do it, stop. But actually, let's look at the reality. Help, I can't get a mortgage. Okay, so if you truly can't get a mortgage, let's just backtrack first. Make sure you've got a really great independent financial advisor, not one of those computer says no people that just push a button and if it doesn't happen, they're like, computer says no. You want somebody really skilled. You want somebody who really knows their stuff, that can take your case, that can phone up the BDM, the business development manager, the sales director, the operations director and say, I got a strange one for you, but I think they're good for it, and talk through the case before they then put the application in, so you get a provisional yes or no. But if you still can't get a mortgage but you can find deals, then you move on to investors, and the reality is normally you should be able to find some sort of mortgage if you can find discounted deals. But then you move on to investors. So if you're like a complete deal bunny, a complete deal superstar, often people are really strong in one area but they're not so strong in the other area, and I always find that people they tend to lead with finding the deals and they kind of lag a little bit finding the investors, because we're British, not most of us. I mean, I know I've got an international audience and hello everybody from all around the world, but the reality is asking for money is always a bit yuck. So let's backtrack. First off, let's look at how you manage yourself. 30% of your time on deals, 30% of your time on investors, 40% organising your business and learning. So if you're watching my YouTube channel, that's part of your 40%, mark it down and measure. And if you're the kind of person that is making loads of offers but can't actually fund them, you're probably spending far too much on the deals and not enough on the investors. So you need to have a look at your diary and actually kind of manage yourself like you're your own boss and block out the time to work with investors. So if you can find deals but you can't yet fulfill them, then what to do is put together case studies, even deals that went past you because you couldn't actually buy them, and put together case studies and talk to potential investors and say, look, I'm a real deal fiend. I love the deal side of life, but my financial circumstances mean X, Y, Z. So I want to either package on deals to you and get paid a fee. Well, great. We were charging 5%. So if you packaged on a 200 grand deal, you'd earn 10 grand. And normally we liked our deals to be done and dusted within 8, 10, 12 weeks. The fastest was 4 days, by the way. So you get paid 10 grand really quickly. So I want to package a deal onto you. You get an amazing discounted deal. I get paid. Great. Everybody's happy. Become a deal packager. I want to do a joint venture, so we're going to buy and sell because I'm great at finding deals. I'm not, I don't have the money. You got the money, you don't need to do the work. They will split the profit 50-50. Make sure you do all the compliance, but JV buy and sell, flipping is a brilliant way for you to earn a lot of money. Or I'm actually super keen to own this property myself, so I'm going to, and again, make sure you get all the compliance right, I'm going to ask you to lend me the money, and then I'm going to buy the property and I'm going to refinance and pay you back out. Now I bought here comes a dog, look. Whee! Early morning in Barcelona. I bought so many of my properties fully funded, 100% funded by private investors, and then I refurbed them, then I financed them out with mortgages and pay my investors back. So you've got 3 routes, haven't you? If you're great at finding deals but not great at finding investors, to be able to work with investors, even if for some reason you're unable to get a mortgage, or maybe you just haven't got the right financial advisor. So the question, help, I can't get a mortgage, can actually be solved by you managing your time, 30-30-40, deals, investors, managing your business, and going one of 3 routes with your investors: deal packaging, joint venture flipping, or borrowing the money and owning it and then repaying them out of refinancing if you're amazing at deals. There's always a way. Never give up. Right, do me a favor, like, share, do the subscribe button, so that when all these videos come out to you, you're just like, Suze, thank you so much, I didn't even think about looking for you. Pass it on to somebody else who might find it really useful. And then of course our website is chock full of great information for you. It is thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. Good luck to you. So if you have really benefited and enjoyed from our content, support our channel, click the like button now. Thanks ever so much.